Kevin with what we thought. And tonight, I mean, the weather has been so nice, and we've had warm and early spring, and our fruit trees have blossomed. We got a little fruit coming. I'll show you here in a minute. And tonight we're supposed to get a hard freeze down between 21 and 28 for 3 to 6 hours. So I want to get these covered and see if I can protect what little fruit, see if I can get any fruit out of them without them going bad. Now, before it warmed up, we had about a week of hard freeze, and every night I went out and covered them, and you know, they obviously did pretty good because they blossomed and they're getting fruit. So let me show you real quick what I used. One thing I did use, and a lot of people ask about, is bed sheets. Yeah, and I like using the fitted ones because with that elastic, it kind of will wrap around the tree a little bit. And then I also went out and bought these kind of clamps, and I'm able to twist the bed sheet and then put a clamp on it, try to get down to the trunk towards the ground if you can, if your trees aren't too tall. I also, and you know, people probably think I'm crazy, we had purchased a bed, I don't even know when, but they came wrapped in this kind of like this cloth bags. The mattresses were in these cloth bags. I had 2 of them, so I hung on to them. Never knew what the heck I might use for them, but they are bags, and they're almost like weed killer or ground cover cloth, but they're bags, and that's what I used when it was freezing before. So I'm going to cover 2 of the trees with, I have 2 of them, so 2 of those, and then weed blocker. I have a big roll of weed blocker, and I wrapped up this little peach tree that's back here behind me when we were getting those hard freezes. It didn't flower, it didn't get any fruit, but probably gonna wrap around it anyway, just to keep it alive. And I don't know what I'm gonna do about my grapes. I might put some of this over them. So anyway, I gotta get this stuff wrapped up. Check out the buds at the blossoms that are on there. So my fruit trees aren't huge. They're only like 6 to 7 feet tall. But you know, this weather this year has been crazy. It's been warm, they blossomed, I have little fruit on them. And you know, tonight, look at this one. This one still has blossoms on it. This is an Asian pear, and it's already starting to get some little fruit buds on here, and some flowers are still in full. But yeah, there is some little buds starting to come out on this one. And then I've got a Bartlett pear right there. And this one, you know, this one already blossomed, and it's got little fruit coming already. And you know, tonight we're supposed to get a hard freeze, like down to between 21 and 28 degrees. So I need to cover these 3 trees. I have blueberry plants that have flowers. I have raspberries. My grapes are starting to get some leaves. And I mean, look at this blueberry right here. I mean, come on. I don't want to lose these. So I've got some trash cans, different sizes, kind of like a kitchen size, a couple of larger ones. You know, one of those totes. And man, I got to try to get these things covered up, so hopefully they'll survive this freeze. Just to show you, and yeah, you know, I mean, some of the branches are going to be touched, but I take my clamp and I like to roll this up like this, like a mummy, and clamp it on there to hold it. And then I'll go down another one here, and then one at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. One down here at the bottom, just so that I'm close to the ground, and to try to keep the freezing air from going underneath and killing the tree. Okay, so I've got that little blueberry there, and I'm going to put this 13-gallon trash can over it. Now, they say not to let the sides of the trash can touch the leaves and all that, but you know what? If I can save 80% of that, I'll be happy. And this is my blackberry, and the trash can's definitely going to touch it, but I'm going to save what I can. And I know that's not optimum, but like I said, if I can save most of it, I mean, it's, 3 to 6 hours of hard freeze, so fingers crossed. And over there, it's a blueberry that hasn't quite leafed out and got its flowers. This one has. I'm going to try to get the trash can over this one and my tote over that one. All right, wish me luck. As soon as it warms up over 32, 33, 34 tomorrow morning, I will come out and I will take the trash cans off, the tote off, and all of these, sorry about the sun, all of these coverings that I have. And I know not everybody's going to have those black bags from mattresses, but a fitted sheet right here, it seems to work well. And so there they are, all covered up. Like I said, wish me luck. All right, well, I put my weed barrier over my grapes. I guess, yeah, the cat's real interested in it. Hopefully just that little bit, keeping the frost or the frozen or the cold off of them will help them survive. Like I said, we'll check it tomorrow morning, see how we did. Plus it's real windy, so hopefully these trees will be fine. There you go. I'm no expert. I'm just probably like most of you, not sure what to do on a freeze. That one there is the fitted bed sheet. I like the fitted. Like I said, it already kind of like grabs around the tree. I'm just lucky these trees aren't too tall, and we'll see how they do. Grapes, I don't know. Blueberries, blackberries, I hope so. Anyway, thanks for checking this out, and if by chance this helps you, well, I'm glad it helped somebody else. Hopefully it helps me. Hopefully I'll try to put out a video tomorrow and let you know how it went.